90% of people that start dropshipping fail and actually never end up making money out of it. And instead, they often lose more money, leading to frustration and even feelings of discouragement. If this is your case and you feel like you want to be part of the 10% of people that actually get to experience the massive benefits that dropshipping can bring you, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to give you the 5 biggest mistakes that keep people stuck in this 90%. But most importantly, I'm also sharing the key solutions to these mistakes so you can become part of the successful 10% that get to earn 5 to 6 figures a month, travel the world while managing your own online store, enjoying the freedom of working on your own terms, and much more. If you're new to my channel, I'm Santiago, but I'm better known as Ecom Santiago. And for the past 5 years, dropshipping has transformed my life in incredible ways. From generating millions in sales to traveling the world to getting my dream car and overall living the lifestyle that I've always wanted. And now I'm here to share all my knowledge with you. Now also be sure to stick around till the end because I'm giving away a free guide that breaks down every solution that I'm about to give you in this video, so you don't want to miss it. All right, mistake number 1, and this is the one where most beginners fall into. Let me walk you through 2 different scenarios so we can actually explain this in detail. In scenario number 1, we have Alex. Alex is super excited to jump into dropshipping because he just learned about the business and he believes that he can crush it. So Alex watches a few YouTube videos and he learns that the first step is finding a winning product. Simple enough, right? After watching a couple more videos without actually digging deep into the best strategies, Alex heads to AliExpress and picks a product that he likes based on the best sellers. He's ready to go, or so he thinks. Now in scenario number 2, we have Emily, and just like Alex, she is determined to be successful with dropshipping. She knows it's not going to be easy, but she believes in her work ethic and discipline to learn everything that's needed to be successful. Emily also understands the importance of finding a winning product, but here's where she makes things differently to Alex. Instead of rushing, she dives deeper and pays close attention to what experienced people say about product research. So she watches more videos, studies the methods, and learns how to select products based on data and analysis, not just personal preferences or emotions. So that's right, mistake number 1 is poor product selection. Now before we actually dive back into the story of Emily and Alex, let me walk you through the different things that you need to have if you want to pick the right product for your store. There are 5 factors you got to focus on when doing product selection. Factor number 1, your product needs to solve a problem. Listen, selling solutions is always going to be easier than selling random items because people naturally seek out products that meet their needs or improve their quality of life. Factor number 2, the product needs to have a high perceived value aspect. In simple terms, the product can't look or feel like something cheap. And if it does, you won't be able to mark it up to cover the costs and still make a profit out of it. If price is too high, customers won't buy it. And if price is too low, you won't be making any profit out of the product. Factor number 3, the product needs to be difficult to get in local stores. Think about this. Why would someone buy a random product from a random online store if they can easily go and buy the same product from the local shop? Now, factor number 4, the product needs to have a wow factor. This might sound a little bit abstract, but it's all about finding and picking a product that has some sort of characteristic that might catch the attention of people the moment they see an ad about it. Factor number 5, and this is the most important one, the product needs to be trending. Listen, selling trending items, it's always going to be 10 times easier than selling products with no demand. Now, why is this? Essentially because people are already educated in these products, they already know its value, so it's easy to market and eventually sell them the product. So it's not to mention that generally these products have also been tested by other dropshippers, giving you higher insights that if the product performed well for them, then it can also perform well for you. And this is precisely why my biggest advice to find winning products is this. Your job is to identify successful competitors selling the product that you want to sell. And to do this, I highly recommend you to use platforms like Mynia or Dropship.io that allow you to monitor the sales performance of your competitors, their ads, and essentially give you a lot of information to take the best decision on what product to sell. And of course, if you want me to create a full step-by-step tutorial on how to find the best winning products, make sure to like and subscribe. And drop a comment letting me know that you want to see that video. Alright, mistake number 2, and for this, we're going to circle back to the story of our characters. So Alex only took a day to find his winning product, and now he's ready to start building his online store. Now, after watching a few TikTok videos promoting a free AI tool that claims to make amazing websites in just 5 minutes, Alex decides to give it a shot. So as promised, Alex now has his basic online store, but he's definitely happy about it. Now, what Alex didn't realize is that this AI platform not only included the product that he wanted to sell, but it also included more products from different niches. And Alex didn't mind because in fact, he thought that having more products would represent more sales for him. The images were basic, the copywriting was weak, or completely missing. But for Alex, this wasn't really important. He just wanted to have a website with a nice logo and a few buttons for people to buy the product. Now in scenario number 2, we have Emily, who actually took 5 complete days to decide on the product that she wanted to sell. She created a detailed product research to analyze all the options she had and ultimately choose the one with the highest potential based on data. Now, when it came to building the store, before doing it, Emily actually watched 3 long-hour YouTube videos to learn how to do it in the best possible way. And the first lesson she picked up from one of those tutorials was to stay away from general stores. In every video that Emily watched, experts stressed that selling multiple items from different niches was a bad idea because customers have learned to recognize these stores as dropshipping. So instead, Emily focused on creating a branded one-product store. She crafted a catchy name, designed a beautiful store, and even hired a graphic designer to create custom branded images for her product. Now, Emily also understood the importance of building a high-converting product page with the right information highlighting the benefits and features of the product. So that's right, mistake number 2 is building a weak general store instead of having a high-converting branded one-product store. So let's break this down, guys. I'm going to show you right now how Alex's store looked like. As you can see, it's filled with a bunch of random products from different niches with no clear theme, and the logo and color scheme don't communicate anything meaningful about the brand. Plus, the images are very low quality and the product descriptions are lacking. And now let's compare with Emily's store. Well, right off the bat, you can tell that Emily's store stands out for its beautiful organization and of course, the well-displayed products. It actually feels like a genuine brand thanks to the excellent graphic design and branding. And most importantly, the website is user-friendly, easy to navigate, and the product descriptions are clear and informative. Now, to dive deeper into what makes a high-converting online store, make sure to watch my last YouTube video on which I actually go in detail into this topic. All right, mistake number 3, and for this, we're going to continue with the story of our characters. At this point, Alex already has the product and the online store ready, but he knows that he needs videos for the TikTok ads. So he came across a YouTube video saying that the best way to do this is just by downloading high-performing TikTok videos related to the product and making a few edits, adding the brand's watermark, and essentially using them for his campaign. So Alex decided to take this approach. He used other people's content to create one video with 3 different intros. But unfortunately, Alex overlooked important elements like script writing, engaging hooks, and the right ad structure for maximum conversion. Now, in scenario number 2, Emily understood that her ads needed to be highly professional so she could stand out from the rest of the competition. She didn't want her ads to blend with the competition's content, so she ordered a product, and with a friend that knows about videography, they recorded a few original clips about the product. Emily then researched how to craft a high-converting video ad and discovered a basic yet effective structure common to successful ads, which is having a strong hook, an introduction to the product, an explanation of the benefits of the features, testimonials, and a compelling call to action. For the editing, she didn't trust her own skills, so she opted for the recommendation of a friend of using a platform called Viral Ecom Ads. She visited the website, selected the TikTok split package, which actually includes one video with 3 different intros, organized her clips, and paid for the service using code ECOMSantiago15 to get an extra 15% off. Then she sent all her materials to Viral Ecom Ads, and in just 24 hours, Emily received her edited ads looking fantastic and ready for her TikTok ad campaign. And that's right, you guys. Mistake number 3, it's not creating high-converting video ads. Your ads are crucial because they form the first impression that your customers have about your store. However, if your ad is well-structured, organized, and features high-quality clips, you'll capture attention and draw people into your sales funnel. And of course, this increases the likelihood of people visiting your store and increases the chances of getting a sale. And remember, even if you have the best product and the best looking online store, if your ad is poorly made, people won't get into your store and you won't get sales. And definitely, if editing isn't your highly skill, I strongly suggest you to use Viral Ecom Ads. I've used this platform several times in the past, and every time they deliver high quality ads. And here's a quick tip for you. the more detailed information you provide them about your ads, the higher quality you're gonna get in return. All right, let's circle back to Emily and Alex again, because things take an interesting turn here. Both Alex and Emily were on the edge of launching their store, and surprisingly, they both used the same tutorial to set up their TikTok ad campaigns. In Alex's case, he launched his store, but sadly, it wasn't until day number 5 that he actually got his first sale. And partially by then, he had already spent $500 on ads. With his product price at $19 and a cost of $10 including shipping, he sadly faced a significant loss of $491. Alex continued running ads for another 5 days, generating 3 more sales, but ended up losing his entire budget, leaving him with no funds to keep running his campaign. Now in contrast, Emily saw her first 2 sales in the very first day of running ads. She was thrilled because she was selling a high-ticket product priced at $120 each, with a cost of only $50 including shipping. And Emily was actually more cautious than Alex, spending only $60 a day on ads. This approach resulted in a positive balance of $18 in profit by the end of day number 1. And Emily kept her ads running for 2 more weeks, achieving $5,000 in revenue with a remarkable profit margin. Mistake number 4. At this stage, both Alex and Emily had secured sales, but faced one crucial step, which was sending the products to the customers. In Alex's case, with barely enough funds to cover his losses, he opted to use AliExpress for shipping due to its low cost. Unfortunately, this choice led to significant delays, and it took a month for Alex's customers to receive their products. 3 customers requested refunds while waiting for the product, and 1 initiated a chargeback due to the poor product quality of the product. But this time, and sadly, Alex ended up losing more money just because he chose the wrong supply. In contrast, Emily was aware of the shipping delays associated with dropshipping, so before launching her ads, she conducted thorough research to find a high-quality supplier. So she discovered SendDrop, an excellent platform that integrated seamlessly with her Shopify store. Once connected, SendDrop automatically synced all orders from Emily's store and began fulfilling them promptly. Most of her customers received the product within 10 days and were highly satisfied with the quality. And that's right, guys. Mistake number 4, it's choosing the wrong supplier. It's very common among beginners to choose the cheapest option just to increase the profit. However, sometimes it's better to prioritize quality and reliability. And for me, SendDrop stands out as the best supplier for different reasons. Firstly, and most importantly, they offer a wide range of products with fast shipping. Thanks to their international warehouses in China and the US, they can deliver orders within 5 to 15 days, which is excellent for dropshipping. Now, the platform is also incredibly user-friendly, and their product costs are very competitive compared to other suppliers. And connecting SendDrop to your Shopify store, it's extremely straightforward. Now, just click the link in the description to sign up and enjoy a 7-day free trial, $200 in fulfillment credits, and 50% off for the next 3 months. After signing up, simply follow the steps to link your Shopify store. This will automatically sync your daily orders with SendDrop's platform, making it very easy to fulfill your products. Now guys, to wrap the story of our characters, Alex ended up feeling frustrated with dropshipping. He lost a significant amount of money and ended up blaming the business model for his troubles. Unfortunately, his takeaway was that dropshipping didn't work, so he decided to move on with other ventures. In contrast, Emily continued running her store and consistently hit one milestone after another. Within just 2 months of launching, she achieved her first 5-figure month, and by the end of month number 6, she was reaching 6 figures monthly. And in just 2 years, Emily transformed her dropshipping business into an actual real brand with operations in both the US and Canada. So that's right, you guys. Mistake number 5, it's not having the right mindset. Listen, the story of our characters offers valuable lessons for entrepreneurship and achieving success in dropshipping, because first and foremost, Emily demonstrated the importance of thorough research before diving into something new. She took the time to inform herself about everything as much as possible. And secondly, and very important too, Emily also maintained realistic expectations and understood that success takes time. This contrasted with Alex, who wanted quick results and was eager to make money as fast as possible. With Alex's experience, we can learn that resilience is a crucial element to have a right mindset for success. If you give up after your first attempt, you're losing the chance to learn from your mistakes and potentially succeed on your next try. So if you made it to this point of the video, I can tell that you are among the 10% of people who are likely to succeed with dropshipping. And trust me, I know why I'm telling you this. You have everything in your power to be successful, so congratulations. If you enjoyed this video and picked up something helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure you watch my other videos if you want to keep learning more about dropship. Take care.